Hello friends, welcome back to Creativity Stuffs, and here we are with our new video of reviewing iFFALCON by TCL AI POWERED K31 TV. This is our first tech video. Let's have a look on the box of the TV. So we wanted to wall mount the TV, so we called the engineer to wall mount it. So we could not record the unboxing, but still we took some pics of the content inside the TV. You can see on the screen, this is the back side of the TV. After wall mounting in the TV, this is the front side. In the box you also get this packet, which includes the remote like this, the stand along with user manual which nobody reads, a AV cable. Let's have a look on the ports and button of the TV. There are two HDMI ports, one LAN port, one digital audio optical port, one antenna port, one USB 2.0 port, and a AV in along with a 3.5mm jack. Let's talk about the display of the TV. On the TV you get a A+ grade Ultra HD 10-bit LED panel along with 300 nits of brightness and a 60Hz refresh rate, and the contrast ratio is 4000:1 in static, and there is an AI picture along in the TV. 4K panel with 3800 into 2160 pixels. And now let's have a look onto the bezels of the TV. On the below side, the bezels look like this. These are average and decent. On the top side, the bezels are above average. On the left side you have decent bezels, and the right are like left only, so they are same. Now let's talk about OS and UI of the TV. As this is Android TV, you get Android OS operating system, which is Android 9, which is not that old, but it is not the latest because Android 10 OS have been released. But Android 9 is good OS. It is above average. It can be called as above average. You can see on the screen it is Android 9 Pie. Android 9. You also get a UI of TCL, which is TCL UI, which has a very nice user interface, like as you can see on the screen. Now let's talk about the remote. This is a smart remote which is RF capable and has internet access. It requires two AAA size batteries and which has out voice input, Netflix hotkey and Google Assistant hotkey on it. Now quickly let's have a look on the specifications of the TV. You get 2GB of RAM and 16GB of storage in the TV, along with a 4-core Amlogic 64-bit A55 processor which has a 1.1 GHz of clock speed and a Mali 470 graphics processor. Now let's have a look on its audio feature and audio quality. You get two speakers on the bottom side of the TV, which are box speakers which supports surround sound, and they are Dolby Audio MS112. As you can see in the picture, the left side and the right side. Now let's have a look on the audio sample.
Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the eyes covered in pink. Cross up the ones who never cries and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
As you can hear, the audio quality was very perfect. It was loud and it was clear. The volume was below 50 because we were not allowed to go above 50. It was that loud that we were not allowed to go above 50. Like, you can just imagine, the audio quality is very perfect. The 20-watt speaker are really doing very good in the TV. You cannot expect like too much from the TV, but as it is a budget oriented, it's very perfect. Now let's have a look on the video sample of the TV. The first video you saw was the most viewed video of our channel, which was run on 1080p, and the second image which you saw was 4K image. Unfortunately, we could not load the 4K video because there was a connectivity and internet issue, but still, in this price point, I say it is a very good, above average and best panel and video quality. Now let's see other features of the TV. The TV supports many apps like Play Store, YouTube, Eros Now, Z5, Netflix, Prime Video, and many more apps. All you need to do is log in the apps and you can use it. It also has the TCL channel app, which is provided by the TCL company, and it also supports many other features like auto power on and off, clock, sleep timer, along with parental control, system update over the air, and instant power on. You get many features like this on the TV. TV supports Chromecast built-in and cast screen option is available. Let's have a look on a video where I casted my Android phone on TV. As you can see, it did not take much time and it's very easy to cast. You can control the volume of the TV and you can even cast. I tried to play a heavy game named Call of Duty Mobile, and it worked pretty well. Like 60 Hz refresh rate actually works, and you get very less lag on the TV, because many of them complain that cast screen has a bit of lag, but I did not get lag on TV. I just fast forwarded the gameplay because it was very time consuming. Just have a short look on it. How does it runs in 60 Hz? As you can see, the experience was very nice. I really enjoyed very much. I literally played for 1 to 2 hours. Now let's see, you can even cast YouTube from your phone to TV. Like, the TV also has inbuilt YouTube, and you can even cast YouTube, like YouTube YouTubes. Quite funny. Now you can see the other features of the TV on the screen. You can even pause the video and read the features properly. So my first impressions for this TV are, I'll say this TV is the best TV under 25,000 of budget, because this is a budget oriented TV and you cannot expect the features and experience like 1 lakh or 2 lakh TV, but this is a good competitor, and this price range for the TV makes it even good because it has good processor, storage and RAM. which makes the TV very nice, and the panel of the display is also very nice. That is it for today, friends. Hope you all enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, and comment down below if you are going to buy the TV or what are your opinions for the TV. Thanks for watching. You just saw the creativity stuffs. See you all in our next amazing and creative video. Until then, bye bye.